Volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is how we find it is through multiplying by 4 times pi times radius cubed and then divided by 3. So it can also look like this. So we have 4 pi r to the third divided by 3. So let's apply this to an example. Example 1. Find the volume of the sphere below. So here we have the diameter of the sphere. So to find the radius, we would go 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Now we can go ahead and start solving for volume. So volume is 4 times 3.14 times radius to the third power. And then we're going to divide by 3. So let's get our calculators out. So we would go 4 times 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 4, as 4 raised to the third power is multiplying it by 4 times 4 times 4, like is what we just did. So we get 803.84 on the top. Then we divide by 3, and we get 267.95. And this is millimeters cubed, as we have millimeters right here. And this is a volume, so it's to the cubed power. So let's do another example. Example 2. Find the volume of the sphere below. In this sphere, we're given the radius. So we don't have to find the radius via the diameter. So we can just go ahead and write our formula and then fill it in. So we have 4 times 3.14, and then the radius is 3, and then raised to the third power. Then we'll divide by 3. So we'll get our calculators out. So we have 4 times 3.14 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 339.12. Then we'll divide by 3, and we get 113.04. And then this is also millimeters cubed. And that would be our volume of this sphere.